Look at this 2007 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified this Sierra 1500 as having one owner. This Sierra 1500 has just under 82,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the no-locking differential. SLE2 preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio. Refer to engine axle chart for availability. Engine, Vortec 5.3 LSQ with active fuel management, 315 horsepower, 234.9 kW at 5,200 RPMs, 338 pounds-ft of torque, 456.3 Nm, at 4,400 RPMs, iron block, standard, not available with TK10543 models. Standard on T10953 models. Transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and 2-with-hull mode, standard, SLE2 preferred package, SLE trailering package, convenience package and VS lift tailgate package. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.